Xinomics has performed well in the short term. The build-up of debt.
Don't say the B, please. Just debt, no B. Okay, debt.
Okay, the build-up debt had slowed before COVID-19 struck, and the twin shocks of the trade war and the pandemic have not led to a financial crisis.
The first sentence is economics has performed well, right? In the short term.
Yeah.
Like before COVID and before
Whatever
trade war, it did not. Whatever he did not even when this came, it did not lead to a financial crisis. It did not have a financial problem. Crisis means like a problem, right? A big problem. So these things did not become a problem for China financially.
Means the build-up of debt
has slowed down
before, and
these two bad things that happened, the trade war and whatever, the pandemic has not led to financial crisis.
State-run firms' productivity is creeping up, and foreign investors are pouring cash into a new generation of Chinese tech firms.
Yes. The state-run firms. That's a state firm.
State firm productivity is creeping up, and foreign investments are pouring cash into a new generation of Chinese tech firms. New generation of the Chinese tech firm is also the state-run firms.
No, it's not. It's different.
It's different?
Yes.
Okay. So the investments the pump cash to these Chinese tech firms.
Yes.
The real test,
however, will
come over time. China hopes that its new techno-centric form of central planning can sustain innovation, but history suggests that diffuse decision-making, open borders, and free speech are the magic ingredients.
Central planning means what?
The government run.
Yes. But it's techno-centric means what?
Techno-centric.
Yeah, techno-centric. It's using technology like to do the planning. Okay, that's all it means.
So centric and central, same thing, right?
Technical-centric means you're using technology to do a lot of stuff. Knowledge-centric means they use technology.
They use technology. A form of central planning can sustain innovation.
Yes.
But history suggests that
diffuse decision-making.
Without.
No, diffuse does not mean without. It means that you don't have one place to do the decision. China is doing one place doing the planning, okay?
Yes.
They're saying that that's not the best way. Diffusion decision-making is better, he said.
Diffuse decision means several
not central.
Not central.
Yeah.
So diffuse means not one.
Diffuse means like when your gas is open,
okay,
the gas will go all over the place. That's called diffuse. You diffuse everywhere. So diffuse here is a adjective, but diffuse is also a verb, means like the gas will go everywhere.
Okay.
So diffuse.
Okay. So diffuse decisions making, open borders, and free speech are the magic ingredients. Okay, understand. Okay. So it means China don't have this.
No. Doesn't have free speech, doesn't have open borders, does not have free,
which is not good.